What's up, everybody? Aaron here, owner of Attention to Detail, luxury detailing and coatings in the South Chicagoland, Northwest Indiana area. Today, I'm showcasing a 2021 Rolls-Royce Ghost for video 2 of our Lux series. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video, and let's get on to what we did on this Ghost. This vehicle actually is gloss black underneath. That's pretty cool. So we did a full color change, white, gloss white paint protection film. This film was from Terminax, and we did a full body color change, actually redoing it from another shop in the area. So we got the opportunity from Swice Infinity to get this vehicle completely redone. They took it to a shop in this area. They cut through all of the paint, they sliced through all the paint, they couldn't trim out their sensors properly, they did them in ovals, they seamed up and patched in white pieces of vinyl here and there. This hood was done in 3 full pieces, the mirrors were done in like 7 pieces, the rear trunk area was done with a bunch of seams and pieces, and there was burned film everywhere, there was lifting edges. It was not really the greatest quality job. But here at A2D, we pride ourselves on the highest quality, the best customer service, and that's why we did a full PPF of this Ghost. The first step of the process was removal of the film. So every single piece of film on the entire vehicle came off. Everything from the grille, the entire body of the vehicle, every piece on the bumper, the emblems, the door handles, all of the trim around the windows, everything completely came off. It took us about 3 full working days, about 24 hours of work between 2 people. It was very, very tedious, and it was not very good. Now, the next step of the process was the re-wrapping of everything. So, a few things that got gloss black vinyl, notable mentions, the entire grille, of course, some accent pieces on the front bumper, these pieces here, all 4 door handles, and then all these trim pieces as well got wrapped in gloss black vinyl. Also, this back tailgate piece got redone in vinyl. And yeah, that's pretty much it with the vinyl portion of it. So we redid all the vinyl, and then we redid all of the film. So we did film on the entire body, of course. This film is from Terminax. It's an 8mm thick film, 10-year warranty on all of it, and we wrapped and tucked every single humanly possible edge on this vehicle. You can barely see black where you're not supposed to. So it's fantastic. All of our full body color changes are about 2 weeks of work with the removal, and we had to do some additional sanding on the clear coat because of all those scratches from the paint marks. This vehicle was here about 3.5 weeks from start to finish. This has been a monster project. One of the other things that was different about our job here was the sensors. So all of our sensors are actually properly inlaid, and they're not throwing off any sensor codes because of the way that we trimmed them out. And actually, when you take these pieces apart, you can pop the sensors out from the back, wrap inside of them, and then when you put the sensor back, it looks perfect. All you have is that little black ring from the actual rubber gasket of the sensors. So pretty awesome here. But you know, this is something to note, and I think that it's very, very important that we put this out there here at A2D. I mean, quality for us is #1. We don't want to rush any jobs ever. That's really, I mean, the entire point of getting work done at A2D is the quality. We have attention to detail. It's in our name, it's in our blood, we bleed it. But most importantly, when it comes to choosing the shop to work at, you have to choose a shop that's gonna do right by you and do right by their work. They have to stand behind their quality. And honestly, you're paying double when it comes to having to redo all the work. You have to remove and redo all of the work that you originally did from the get-go, and then step #2 is obviously redoing it all to that high quality. So when you're picking a shop to do work on your vehicle, it's very important that you vet them and you actually come in and see their quality of work. Booking stuff over the phone using a booking link that's gone, that's in the past. We have what's called our in-shop experiences. They are a consultation that's dedicated to you and your vehicle. The first part of the process, you give us a call, 219-533-8783. Once you give us a call, we'll book you in for a consultation. We have you bring the vehicle by, we meet you, shake your hand, we'll walk you through the entire shop, we'll give you a tour of everything, and then we'll sit down together and we'll go over the vehicle, we'll go over the packages, we'll go over the options, whatever is best for you and your vehicle and your budget, we'll go over that. Then you put a deposit down, you pick a date, and we get rocking. As of right now, that's the end of May. We're looking at the end of July, beginning of August for bookings. So keep that in mind. We're always about a month and a half to 2 months out when it comes to the summertime. Wintertime, we stay between 3 weeks and a month booked out. But during the summertime, we are always anywhere between a month and a half to 2 months out. So keep that in mind. The reason for the consultation is not to waste your time or ours, but the reason for the consultation is to see exactly what you're doing, see exactly where your concerns are, and make sure that we pick a plan that is best for you and your vehicle. Guys, if you want to get a consultation, you want to book something, get on the calendar, give us a call, 219-533-8783. Visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Again, thank you so much to Swice Infinity for giving us the opportunity to blow you away with our quality on this 2021 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything, call us, text us, come by the shop. Let's get you on the schedule for a consultation today. Aaron with A2D, out.